If you want to implement common civil code, I will sincerely propose to opt for Sharia law, both civil and criminal. Don't think it is a Muslim law made by some Muslim ruler. It is a divine law sent by the creator of this universe, Almighty God, to all the prophets, lastly to Prophet Muhammad. Because God is the all knowing and He knows the human nature and requirements of humanity, all types of injustice, inequality, and crimes will come down, like murders, thefts, corruption, rapes, crimes against women and children, drug addiction, gambling, and all. Interest-free economy will narrow down the gap between rich and poor. Only required is courage and sincerity in implementing and practice.